Hi guys, when you're working in your shop and you're building lots of bows, you begin to develop systems and processes that help you get to a desired basic destination the same way every time. And when we start doing repeatable type work, the biggest thing we can do to aid us in our work would be to create jigs and molds and these sorts of things that help us get to our finished product quicker and easier than doing it from scratch every single time. So this week, guys, we're going to go over my 3 most valuable jigs in addition to how to use them. And guys, I've got a link in the description below to a build guide that has all of the dimensions and processes for putting them together. So enter my tapering jig, and this is probably my most favorite jig that I have in the garage for accomplishing tapers on bows. It makes very quick work of it. For the adjustment piece of it, I've got it measured out for the length of my limb here, and then I measure that gap with my calipers and then zero it. So you should be able to see that I'm 0, and then come out here and increase that gap out here, and you can then see at 1/8. Utilize double stick tape to get everything on and stuck together. Once everything is aligned, pressed into shape. A 1/8 of an inch drop, basically from fade to tip, to give us our taper. And that's what we're looking for here, is a great taper. All right, here is my second indispensable jig to putting together my reflex and deflex bows, and really all of my laminated bows go on here. And guys, this one too I'll make available as part of the build along series, or in the builder's manual associated with this particular video, so that you guys can get the dimensions associated and some of the specifics. And this particular jig, guys, is a little, I mean, this one specifically is like Cadillac version, right? So I glued up for years on this particular jig here, right? With just lay on blocks like this. And I would have to put like a clamp on here to hold this in place from doing exactly that, which is what kind of brought this one into being. I'll have all the specs and everything put together for you so you can build one of these. And I'll put the specs together for the improved version, even though it's probably a lot more than is necessary, truth be told. But, you know, it's good to have it, you know, better to have and not need than need and not have, and that's kind of the way I look at that. You'll notice that it's got a nice, even sweep. And that's what we're going for, because what that's doing is taking the shape of the tiller into account, right, versus having like a clamp just smack dab in the middle of the limb, right? So this is really your best scenario for gluing this together. And you can just see the gentle arc on both limbs. And that's what sets up the perfect tillering scenario, right? It's about as easy as you can make the task of tillering a bow by gluing it up like this. So That is why this jig has climbed its way into my top 3 jigs to have around the garage, or the shop at least, for building bows. When it comes to tillering your bow, there are very few tools that are as useful as a Tillering Gizmo. And this tool is so quick and easy to build. There's really no good reason to not have this as part of your toolbox when it comes to building bows. The return on investment is astronomical. So guys, we're going to go ahead and put one together right quick here. I'm just going to start with a block. This is basically everything we need in addition to a pencil. And that's it. That's all the parts you need. And to get this done is almost so trivial and easy, it's insane. We're just going to take a straight edge here and find the center of our block, right like this. We're going to put a 3/8 inch hole right there. All right, so we got our hole drilled. And rather than pound them in, I just like to advance it in with a clamp. Done. And then, guys, pencil just screws in there. Now, and it screws in just like a bolt. Okay, now it's going to be kind of tough to start. And that's why you want to screw it in, screw it out, screw it in, and just kind of ream in the threading. And when you're done, it looks a lot like this. And it moves very freely once you've got it established. And you will see here that the pencil advances through the other side just like that. And you can adjust it however high or low you need it to go. And that's it. No tool goes together so easily and pays such huge dividends as this right here. And of course you can embellish it with different shapes and whatnot. Makes it however you want it to go. But guys, make one. Laminating jig, tapering jig, Tillering Gizmo. These are the 3 probably most important jigs in my garage. And they are so easy to make that it really makes good sense to have them available in your bow building shop. So guys, thanks for joining me this week. Head on over to Metal Arc Adventure Gear, pick up that build guide. I've got the link in the description of this video as well. So we'll get moving on some more bows here soon. I will talk to you guys next week.